But let's get started with what does... Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 324 MBS. But before we get started, don't forget, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and just go ahead and hit the bell notification icon so you get a notification every time we post. But let's start on the inside because we know what the people want to see, and that is what has changed from the 31 MB to the 324 MBS. Well, a lot. First, starting off, our color choices for this year are super different and really just amped up, and I love it. Check out this space. It's transformed just with colors alone. There are other details that we're gonna go over, but I love the cabinet color and I love the floor color. I like that it's both warm and cool tones. You can pretty much add in any color that you and your family like. But let's get started with our entryway. Just like in the 31 MB, we have one entryway here that looks right into our bunk room, which we'll get to in a second. We have a few controls for our vent fans and our AC, but all of our controls are mounted so prestigiously here on this piece of block. We have lots and lots of different buttons for this year, including separate ones for our awning, ceiling, interior step, exterior step, hall, and pendant and island. So you don't have to look for those small little switches anymore. Everything is right on this board, and of course it does connect to your phone as well, so check that out. We also have this upgraded solar gauge here, so I can see if my solar is being used, if it's being charged, and how much battery I have. Just like sort of a Cherokee brand, you can see the battery life. You can see it on here too. Pretty easy, but let's move into the bunk room. Our bunk room has plenty of room because we have a slide in here. The slide houses what is a larger bunk on the bottom and a smaller one on the top. Again, all dimensions are on the Grand Design website, and it features these really awesome new colors. It seems light and bright in here. We got really tall ceilings. We also have 1, 2, 3 windows with blackout shades for all of them. Each person has their own light, and we do have some extra outlets up here on the wall, and this actually does stay up pretty conveniently. So if this is someone's primary bedroom, they may have an extra bunk they can use if they want to or not. We have plenty of storage here in what looks like sort of a TV entertainment space. On the bottom we have 5 drawers, on the top we have 2 cabinets, but you have a view into both the hallway and the kitchen just from this room, and I really like the pocket doors that give you just enough privacy. But now on to the kitchen. Starting with our island, we have a rounded corner island that is the focal point of this kitchen. It has the sink set in. It is stainless steel inset sink with no dividers, which is great. And I really like the black faucet with the removable faucet head on it as well. Super smooth to use. The island also has underlit lighting as well as a pendant light that have their own switches. We also have plenty of storage for cleaning supplies and trash cans down below, as well as 3 extra drawers for anything else you may need. But one of the differences between the 31 MB and the 324 MBS is this right here, the upgraded fridge. So they gave you a bunkhouse with a 16 cubic foot fridge, and I guess there was a need for it. People said, we need more room for all these people. We got to cook for them. Well, here it is. Also a change is that this is slightly longer, so it's 37 feet versus 36. So really not a whole lot of changes. They just added in more value. Moving on, we do have a Furrion stove top here. 3 burner tops up there. There's no splash guard on this one, but they do give you metal blinds, so you can easily clean those off. And we have a nice inset stove here that we can actually cook something in, but also upgraded for this floor plan is an outdoor kitchen. So you'll be using this, but also outside as well. Above this, we have a Furrion microwave, always important, and plenty of storage all the way around, and it kind of flows into our entertainment space here. But before we leave the kitchen, there is a pantry. Located just outside of your kitchen space or on the other side of your island. Really nice size pantry with lights that are automatic, and this is one of the more in-depth ones I've seen, so plenty of snacks can be put in here, and you can definitely keep a lot of supplies for food. This is located in the slide opposite of the one that houses everything as far as your fridge and your kitchen. So this one has our pantry and our theater seating options here. We recline. We have all new buttons on these couches here. So no more sensor buttons. These are actually a click button, which is a little bit different of a change. I would like to see if any Reflection owners prefer this button upgrade or if they like the look of that fancy touchpad. Let us know in the comments below. I love the color. It's very cool tone, but you do have the natural wood tones to work with as well. And we have a dimmer. That'd be nice to have a movie night. But we also have a dinette. Now this is a great place to work from. You've got all of this space and this really nice quality table. We also have a plug located in the dinette that we can use to charge our laptops or anything else that we have got going. And this also is a sleeping space for any additional guests. So this will just push right down and put this cushion on top. This table setup is one of the easiest setups to make down into a bed in my opinion. I really appreciate this, the two pulleys that you just pull the two levers, push it right down, super easy. And they give you more storage up top for your guests. So you've got plenty of continuous cabinet space up there for extra bed linens, any extra pillows you may need or anything else. But next to this is our entertainment space that we talked about before. Great place to watch movies, got a smart TV here, as well as an electric heater, which is a fireplace. Changes colors. It can go along with any color you choose, and your couches light up too, so this would be a really cool place to transform at night, especially if it's one of those rainy nights. Up here in the cabinets, we have our controls for our indoor-outdoor speaker system, as well as more storage and outlets for DVD players or game consoles or anything else you want to bring along on your trip. But I think it's time to head up those stairs and down the hall to the bathroom. This bathroom is very spacious, as well as has everything we need to skip the campground bathroom. We have a cabinet above our toilet with a mirrored front access. I love that they give you extra mirrors in the newer models, as well as another mirrored front medicine cabinet here with lots of storage up top. We also have lots of countertop space, a faucet that matches our kitchen, as well as matching towel holders. I love that. And there's even an outlet right next to it. We have 3 drawers and plenty of places for a small trash can for the bathroom. And check out this shower. Again, I'm about 5'11". It's pretty comfortable in here. Very bright, and I love this black matching removable shower head. And we got some really heavy duty, nice quality glass doors that do secure for travel. And it looks like we have the mesh pockets, but no clothesline, but that's okay. There's plenty of room outside for one. But let's move next door to the bedroom. I love the barn style doors. They keep everything out of the way. So if it's just you two, or maybe just you in here for the weekend, you can keep all of them open. It's really easy to get to the next place from any place you are, especially from this bedroom. But I wanted to talk about one thing, and that is this flooring. So I've noticed in a few models that are new and that are coming in that some of them do have this carpet all the way through this side, but some of them don't. I really love this flooring, so I love when they continue it out. You can easily sweep it all the way down and not have to worry about a vacuum cleaner, and all of your storage underneath here you can utilize pretty efficiently from this door frame. But there is a few more changes, like those light sconces. They're upgraded, they're modern, and I like the white light that they put out. The other sconces were very pretty and useful, so I'm glad that these are a new upgrade. But what do you think? Leave us a comment below, old or new. What do you think? Also above me, we have 2 more lights that just have on and off features, as well as another sconce over here, 2 outlets. I love the decorative ledge here for your phone, so you don't really have to keep it anywhere too close. And the color scheme are relatively the same, but again, with this light color, it feels light and bright in here, and I really enjoy it. And there is one more thing, a final wardrobe right over there. Is it just me, or did they make this closet a lot bigger and keep 3 drawers down below? Wow. We have a hanging rod here. We got a light that's automatic. I love the mirrored front access. This thing is definitely bigger, I can tell, but it's time to go outside. But on the outside, first thing you see when you come up to your entertainment side or outdoor hangout is your pass-through storage. It's pretty standard in there. We've got light, satellite connections, plenty of outlets, as well as it's easy to clean. The other side is your convenience bay. It should be all standard there and easy to use. Grand Design has some great resources on how to use their products. If you have any questions, check out their YouTube page. It's really informative. But also right next to this pass-through storage is something new for the 324 MBS, and that is an outdoor kitchen with this capital griddles. These are like an upgraded griddle. They've really started going to these, and I like the idea of them, but I want to know how you guys think of them, if you've been using them, or if you prefer your old ones. I'd genuinely be curious. We also have our refreshment fridge. This is also a good place for the kids to have snacks that they can just reach in and grab. We know that Rob here, our lovely walkthrough technician, said that his daughter loves to have her snacks in there. Me too. But also in this outdoor space, we have a gigantic awning above me. It has an LED light strip underneath, as well as plenty of outdoor speakers. So this would be a great place to hang out, have some food, have some drinks with your family. And there is only one slide here in the back of the camper, but it gives you plenty of room to hang out regardless underneath this awning. But what do you think of the 324 MBS versus the 31 NB? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.